Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known book published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I entrances. So let's check what is in this question. If a is equals to integration 0 to pi cos x divided by x plus 2 whole square dx, then we have to show that integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x divided by x plus 1 dx is equals to half of half plus 1 by pi plus 2 minus a. Okay, so let's get into the solution. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x divided by x plus 1 dx. So if we multiply a 2 by adjusting half outside of this integration, we get 2 sin x cos x in the numerator, and in denominator we just only have x plus 1. Half 0 to pi by 2. In the numerator we have sin 2x divided by x plus 1 dx. Now let 2x is equals to z. Okay, 2x is equals to z, therefore 2 dx is equals to dz. X has value 0 and pi by 2, therefore z has value 0 and pi. Okay, therefore we can write that half integration 0 to pi sin z divided by z by 2 plus 1 dz by 2. Okay, these 2's are cancels out, we get half integration 0 to pi sin z dz. Okay, sorry, we get these 2 is not cancels out. Here we have 2, therefore here we have 2 sin z divided by z plus 2 and dz by 2. Now these 2's are cancelled out, we get half integration sin z dz divided by z plus 2. Now by using the integration by parts formula, we get half divided by z plus 2 integration 0 integration sin z dz minus half integration ddz 1 by z plus 2 integration sin z dz multiplied by integration sin z dz and dz. Okay, hence we get 1 by 2 z plus 2. Here we have minus cos z, limit 0 to pi, minus half. Here we have minus 1 by z plus 2 whole square, and from this minus cos z, those minus are cancelled out, we get cos z dz. Okay, Now here we have minus 1 by 2. Cos pi means minus 1 divided by pi plus 2. Okay, sorry, here we have minus 1, and here we have 1 divided by just 2, and this is half a. Given by the question, this is denoted by a. Hence we have half multiplied by pi plus 2 plus half minus a. Okay, so this is the proof of this question, and that's all for today. And we Saraswat classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saraswatclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get notifications. Thank you.